Thank you very much. I don't think I need a written script to say how glad I am to be part of your initiative, Sumit. I've been. First of all, let me acknowledge the presence of one and all. Thank you for sacrificing your Saturday to be part of this very, very, what should I say, a great initiative. I actually haven't been part of this program, but I've been part of a lot of Prema Foundation programs. And I must put on record the fact that we are very proud of your organization and the work that you do. And today I acknowledge all the volunteers who have turned up. And as Sumit said, that together we can do it. And I think together we can overcome any challenges that come our way. I also acknowledge the physicians and those members who have been part of this Health on Wheels program. Actually, when I was with the Ministry for Health, I had a lot of things, but unfortunately years have gone by and I was never part of this, and that's my regret. We work together with the Prema Foundation for the health center that you see at Nasese, and of course the beautiful Children's Heart Hospital that is coming to a conclusion, and we wish you all the very best for that. And I'm sure the children of Fiji and the Pacific will greatly benefit from the Children's Hospital that's coming up. But I can also say that without the contributions of one and all, your donors and partners, high commissions, we wouldn't be able to see the project the way it is now. And I do personally look forward to the hospital opening up so that we can make a lot of difference to our children, especially our children. Health on Wheels program, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is a good way of reaching our grassroots. And yes, we do acknowledge that grassroots level issues are very different from us who are very close to medical centers and facilities in towns and cities. And this is one way of bringing the services to our people. And this is strongly embedded in our government's vision, is to see that we don't miss out on people. But unfortunately, sometimes it becomes very difficult for single organizations or even government as a whole go down and reach individual families. So Sumit, this initiative is a great one actually, doing good to others, and who better than the people here today from the health sector, from the volunteers, from the ministries, from the missions, all sacrificing their time, their valuable family time, their market time, and on Saturday is just kept aside for us to relax after a long busy week. But that's the goodness that I see in our people. In Parliament yesterday I talked about how we overcome the natural disasters. It's everybody pitching in, every dollar pitching in, every hand that comes on board to say we are here to lend a helping hand. And I realize and record this is your 7th year of this initiative. And I wish and pray that we continue to grow to the next 70. Some of us may not be here, but the passion that we put in this project today, I see a lot of young people here. We will rely on you to carry this great initiative in the near future that's going to benefit. One day it may benefit, personally, the satisfaction that we get from doing something for others, I think is the greatest gift that we can give to mankind and humanity. And Prema Foundation is all about that, putting service before self. And I, on behalf of the Prime Minister and the government, thank you, Prema, and you can continue to look forward for our support. Yes, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I'm still in the holy mood. And I want everybody, and I want to wish you all a very, very happy Holi. Yeah. And like this is what we do for people. This is the good that we do for people. And regardless of which culture we are, where we come from, we do good to people. So happy Holi, and I've been tasked to do something which we will do later on. Please, once again, I have to wish you all a very, very successful Health on Wheels initiative here today. And I'm sure we're going to look at a lot of people, and the community will benefit a lot from this initiative. And I think we should celebrate Holi with them too.
Right. Now my one. Okay.